Hello guys, today we're gonna review this Syvio Ultrasonic coldness humidifier. We live in Nevada and weather's pretty dry, so I believe this will be a good product for us. So let's go ahead and open it up. I don't know what's that. Oh, the stickers probably, with a tongue and eyes. Alright, there you have it. Open it. Okay, there you go. Let's see. If we can test this. Add some water. Add water, so basically I just remove this. Then you can add water in here. Alright, let's check this. Okay, so I guess you can add water straight up. Not sure. Anyway, add a little bit of water. Alright, and we're gonna test it out. So this does not have filter. Wait, maybe it does. Nope, no filter. So it has power supply. So some humidifiers, they have filter. This does not. There we go. I don't know where to put the power in there. I guess I don't know where to put the power. Check it out. Alright. Power is right there. Got it a little bit wide. Let's test it out. Cord is pretty long. It's about 4 feet. Alright, plug in the power. Right here. And I believe, so there's a light. I don't know if you can see. Turn off my light. There you go. So now it's on. So you can adjust the settings. So there's instruction here how to put the power. Alright, let's see. I don't know if you can see, but mist is coming out. Let's see. Put some light on. Yeah. There you go. Pretty quiet and super fine mist. Love it.
So a review of this humidifier, ultrasonic humidifier. I've had it going for about an hour at this point. Comes with a little instruction booklet, which is fine. Can of Coke not included. I put that there for size reference. And here it is, it's going. So I'm just going to pull the plug and show you Power outage will basically make it stop and it won't automatically start. A couple things about this. When you fill it, you have to lift this up and you put it right in there. So, you know, you can't pour the water right through the lid. This does not pivot, it's fixed. And what you have is you have 3 buttons here. And this is going to be your power button. So you can cycle through high, medium, low. So I'm going to return that to high. And if you notice, it basically is with the white light, you're going to look at the code above it, high, medium, low. So it's on high. They reuse these lights for the timer as well. So when you want to use the timer function, or I believe they call this sleep, you press this and it'll temporarily be green. That's telling you it's 8 hours. So press it 2 times and it'll be down to 4 hours. So you see what it did there. It's ganging up and reusing those lights. So right now you can't really tell it's on 4 hours. In addition to that, the only other thing you have here is this button right here, which if you look at this, when I press it, so that lights up and you can kind of see that's where the water line is. So this is a very basic unit. I'm going to run it throughout the day and such and see, you know, what's going on with it. It is nice and quiet. It sounds just like any other humidifier. I like this one because it's very compact. The things that I'm a little bit negative on, but I'm going to play around with are, I don't like how they use the same indicator lights for these. I think that might be a little confusing. Like, for example, if I gave this to my senior parents, this does not pivot. And you can't fill it right through the lid. You have to kind of lift this up and fill it. But, you know, this is your basic, simple vaporizer, and I think it's going to be a very good choice for people. I'm going to run it for a day, and then I'll update my review.
Okay, so this is brand new, completely disgusting. Ran once. And I don't even know what all of this is, but it's bad. It's really bad. There's no like filter thing. There's nothing that comes off other than this. I think this comes off too, or maybe this just spins. I don't know. Make life healthier. There's no extra pieces. What is that? Yeah, no. Not healthy at all.
If your house is anything like mine and it gets really dry, especially as we get into the colder months, I found the perfect diffuser. This one is great because it's small. It fits beside the bed. It has a great output. It's great for the humidity. It's very easy to use. What I like a lot is that it has a smaller water reserve. So I live in a part of Canada where there's a lot of hard water. So not having it stored for a long time has been really helpful. You can control how much humidity. It is a cold mist diffuser or humidifier, and you can set it and leave it, and you can breathe through the night. So it's really been a game changer for me at night as I get really stuffed up because our house is older and doesn't have a lot of good ventilation. So this one's really great. It looks lovely, so you don't mind that it's out in the open. It has a nice soothing light at night. And again, you can program how much humidity you have so that you get what you need so that you can sleep better at night.
Okay, as you can see, this is a Syvio, and I had to record this product review again. Amazon is being weird about me posting product reviews for some reason. But it is plugged in and it's not turning on. It does not matter if it has water, it'll still turn on. Probably the water got into the vents or something like that, and that's why it's not turning on. But it looks like it needs a spark because you can open it up at the back. But this thing was like $40 or $50, and now it doesn't work in like 1 month. So yeah.
It's supposed to be on, but nothing is coming out. This is my second replacement. I don't know what's going on, but yeah, that's the problem I'm having with it. Like, I don't feel anything coming out. Nothing.